All right, squad, what's up? It's your boy Knockout 360 here. As you can tell, we're doing some construction. So in my previous Charger, I know you guys remember, I had the UNIDEN R3, right? This is the UNIDEN R3 here. The camera will focus. UNIDEN R3, but I had it what they call mirror tapped, right? So all of this stuff is just the plastic housing around the mirror. You can take a simple pry tool. I happen to have a bunch from Dynamics, and you just pry it open, right? It's a two-piece part, so I mean, this is the first part, and this is the housing that goes around it, and it sits in there just like that. You know what I'm saying? Or actually just like that. Yeah, sits in there just like that. So you'll pop this middle piece out first, and then once this big housing piece is exposed, you can just wiggle it out with your hand. So I mean, use a little pry tool. Obviously, don't get in there and start breaking stuff, guys, because you can see it's got little four clips here, you know? And those 4 clips attached to the housing, right? So you have to take out this middle piece first. Don't start just yanking. Jesus. Don't start just yanking on the outer housings, right? So just to give you guys some, that's how it would fit, right? So that's how you're used to seeing it. You got to take this middle portion out first. Take a little pry tool, put it in between this middle portion and this external housing. Start kind of jiggling it around, and it'll pop out, right? Nothing's broken here, 4 clips, everything's good. Once you get there, that's going to expose you to all this stuff back here. I'm actually watching a YouTube video right now because I forgot how to do it. I did it for my Scat and I did it for my RT, my V6, but I'm trying to remember how to do it myself. So long story short, every radar detector is different. It has a different set of cables. This is strictly from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description for you guys that's got UNIDEN. So long story short, what happens is you're just going to be drawing power instead of from the cigarette lighter, having that long ass cable. You're going to be drawing power directly from the power mirror, right? And they're going to be doing what they call mirror tap. So you'll see these 2 cables here, and you're just going to plug these cables into the back of that and kind of siphon power off of that, and that's going to power your radar detector. And as you can see, this is the Ethernet cable that plugs into the radar. I've already got the mount set up. So for all you guys that used to follow me when I had my Scat, you know I had a real clean setup where nothing was hanging out. I had no long cables, everything was there. So I'm going to do the best I can to film this. Obviously, I'm going to need 2 hands, so I'll give you guys kind of incremental updates. But yeah, I'll do the best I can. But the biggest thing is, like, look at the coloring. So you got like a, what color wire is that? Oh, you got like a pink wire, and then you got like a yellow one. You know what I'm saying? A pink and then a yellow. It may come across as red or orange on camera, but from what I can see, it's pink. So you got a pink one, and then you got a black one, right? So you see that? You see 3 wires there. You see the pink one, the black one in the middle, and then the yellow, right? So long story short, we're going black to black, right? Black to black. So I'm going to plug this into the black port, and then I'm going to take this red one and I'm going to plug it into, if I'm not mistaken, the pink one, right? So black to black and red to pink. And then I'll see if it works then. But yeah, that's how it works. And so there's room in there to plug it in. And you literally just plug it in right beside it. And as you can see, the design of these connectors, real thin. Hold on. Real thin. Is it going to focus? Yeah, look at the connectors. Real thin. So they literally just plug in right beside the port that's already there. So like I said, black to black, red to pink. All right, guys, so there is a little tab in that housing up there, right? There's a little tab that's going to allow you to pull out the screws like that. All right, so based on what this YouTube video is telling me, we're going to go black to black and then red to red, I think. Hold on.
Hopefully wire to the ear. You just mirror tap it to the power supply in the back. Here, make sure you're attaching it. Focus camera. The red wire to the yellow.
Okay.
The pink and yellow wire.
Red to yellow.
The black on the black.
Black to black.
Let me.
All right, so He definitely said red to pink and yellow, and those are two totally different wires. But all right, hold on. You see what I'm saying?
KA band. Laser.
Your boy's a genius. See what I'm saying? Plugged in. Wait, did it just die?
X band. K band. KA band.
Yes, sir.
Laser.
That's how we're plugged in up there. So black to black and red to yellow. And you can see how I got it. It's kind of janky, but I mean, it works. And that way you don't have to use that long ass cable down there.
GPS connected.
You see what I'm saying? We're locked in. And that's pretty much it. Like once I get the housing back on, it'll look much cleaner, but I'll talk about it here in a minute. All right, so boom, we're cooking right now. You guys can't see it because I have the display off. There's a little light that's bouncing from left to right. Hold on, let me close the damn door. Yeah, so you guys can't see. Shut up, god damn. But you guys can't see it, but it is working. So basically, these are two pieces, you know. One piece is this big piece right here, and then another piece is, you see where it splits off? You just need to put a pry tool in between there, pop that middle piece out, and I do mean it'll pop out, and then that whole big housing comes out, and then that exposes the cable. So it's black to black and red to yellow. Let me say that again, black to black, red to yellow. And they give you some extra tips just in case, some extra connectors just in case. This is a radar mount. This is the RJ11 mirror wire. I use this on my V6. I use this on my Scat. And now I'm using it on my Cat. Yeah, and it tells you how to do it in the description there. I'll put the link in the description to this. But it's going to be different if you don't have a UNIDEN R3. So I imagine if you got an R7 or if you got an Escort 360 Max, your cables are probably going to look a little different. But for the most part, the setup should be the same. You just want to make sure that you get the specific cables based off of your radar detector. You know what I'm saying? And you can toss this long ass shit away. I hated that. Make it much cleaner, you know, much cleaner. You can't even see the wires there. And if there's any extra wire, you can just tuck it up there, you know, and that way you get a real clean look. See how I like it is I like the radar to just barely be under the mirror, you know, because I don't want it too much in my vision when that light comes on. So I've got my display completely off, and the only time the display comes on is when it picks up something, which is what I want. Because oftentimes, let me turn my car off. Oftentimes I'm listening to music so loud that I don't even hear it. So I need a visual cue. I need something to pop up visually that lets me know there's a cop in the vicinity. So I've got my display off, and then of course when it picks up a signal, display lights up, and then the sound and all that good stuff. But this is how I like it. Like I want it to be completely hidden as far as my view is concerned. I don't want it obstructing my middle area like that. And yeah, and that's just the mounts that it comes with. So it comes with those two mounts. You can go out and get like a reinforced legit mount that makes it look bigger, but I wanted something small, low key, and discreet. So that's it, guys. I know I probably didn't do the best job explaining it, but it's hard as hell to get up under there and pull that little thing out without breaking anything. But trust me when I say, if you got any questions on it, just holler at your boy in the DMs on Instagram, and I'll take care of you and explain exactly how I did it. I couldn't explain it too much because, for one, it's 95 degrees. Two, it's a really small area to work with. And three, I'm filming with this big ass Sony camera. So, you know, that's the purpose of it, man. So you get rid of that cable right there, and that leaves your cigarette lighter wide open for other stuff, you know? So as always, guys, it's been your boy Knockout 360. See you guys in the next one. Peace.